Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video we are going to show you some adorable crochet frock designs for baby girls. These frocks are soft, handmade and perfect for little ones. If you are looking for something cute, cozy and creative, you're going to love this collection. Crochet baby frocks are perfect for any occasions, birthday, photo shoots and daily wear. Look at these beautiful designs. Soft yarn, light colors and tiny flowers make it so sweet and stylish. Some frocks have frills, others have ribbons or buttons, all made with love and care. You will see sleeveless styles, short sleeves and full sleeves options, each one designed for comfort and charm. Colors like pink, white, yellow, blue and mint green are very popular and give a soft gentle look. These frocks are also great gift ideas for newborn babies or baby showers. And if you crochet at home, these designs can inspire your next handmade project. Each frock in this video is special in its own way, simple yet beautiful and perfect for every little princess. So which frock did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more baby fashion ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time with another cute and creative collection.